Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn bird's name. So let's begin. Peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Peacock is our national bird. Cock. C-O-C-K. Cock. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Bat. B-A-T. Bat. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. I hope you all are having fun. Crow. C-R-O-W. Crow. Swan. S-W-A-N. Swan. Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Hornbill. H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L. Hornbill. Woodpecker. W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R. Woodpecker. Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Kingfisher. K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R. Kingfisher. So guys, I hope that you have learned something interesting today. So do not forget to hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe. And keep learning with your favorite channel, ClassyMe for English.